Barbers, cosmetologists, estheticians, lash techs, nail techs, brow techs, braiders, weavers, and even you hair washers. Listen up. I'm about to tell you how to monetize your account in under 2 minutes. First off, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Your subs got to come from the niche you actually work in, not random follow-for-follow stuff. That's why I made this for all y'all in the beauty game. Go live as soon as you can. Every minute people watch your stream counts toward those hours. Don't wait till you feel ready. Turn the camera on while you work. Record everything you do in the shop or studio. Fades, sets, lashes, whatever. Chop those clips into daily shorts to pull new subs. Be yourself. Your personality is the brand. Clients come for the service. Followers stay for you. Add captions. Tag your city. Reply to comments. That's free algorithm fuel. Stay consistent for 30 days straight, and you'll start seeing hours climb and checks show up. That's it. No tricks, just game. Hit like and subscribe if you in the beauty industry trying to get paid for what you already do.